Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and color OS version because menu labels vary. Once done, make sure your SIM is active and the mobile network is on. Then open Settings and go directly to Apps or Call Settings. This is where Vivo stores blocking controls. You'll need access to the phone or dialer app permissions next, so grant them if prompted. Once that's completed, locate the blocklist, blacklist, or spam protection entry. This moves you straight into the first removal step. You now navigate inside the phone or dialer app to blocklist or block numbers. Once inside, scan for the specific entry by number or contact name. Make sure you verify whether the block applies to calls, messages, or both so you remove the correct restriction. Tap the entry, then choose Edit or Remove. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Once removed, restart the phone app or perform a quick reboot to clear cached rules, and then test by calling or texting the number you unblocked. To finish, reboot your Vivo and immediately test by calling or texting the previously blocked number. You'll know it worked when the call rings or the message sends. If the number remains blocked, make sure no third-party call blocker apps or carrier-side blocking is active, and disable or contact them. If issues persist, clear the phone app cache and data, then repeat the removal steps. One key troubleshooting tip: if unblocking fails, check with your carrier. Carrier-level blacklists override handset settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.